The maierke Hose Clamp Assortment Kit uses 304 stainless steel, so the clamps stay strong and resist rust even in damp or outdoor conditions. Between the worm gear and single ear styles, the kit covers a very wide diameter range, making it easy to match clamps to everything from small fuel lines to larger water hoses. The screw-driven worm gear clamps are straightforward to adjust with a simple screwdriver, allowing quick tightening or repositioning without special tools. Single ear clamps in the set are ideal for permanent vibration-resistant connections on automotive, marine, and plumbing lines where you want a secure, tamper-free fit. With a total of 255 pieces organized by size, you get enough clamps to handle multiple projects around vehicles, boats, home plumbing, and garden systems without running short. The inclusion of matching hand tools and the neatly divided storage case makes this kit convenient to carry to the job site and keeps the many sizes easy to find and use.